from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a BMW X3 here on a 2006-2007 plate. I'm going to show you how to reset the service light. It is quite a simple job, but you just got to be patient because it is annoying. I'm going to show you how it's done. If you come in. Now if I switch the ignition on, if you can see right there is minus 7,000 miles. So what I need to do, reset it. So I'm going to have to press this button. And the key is, it's got a key in there, so it's not a keyless entry or anything. So if I press and hold this button, switch the ignition on to key position 1. As you can see, the test is in progress. I let go of the button. When the reset comes on, I let go of the button. Then hold it again till it flashes. I let go of the button, press it once. That's the new inspection set. And then hold it again. That's it. If I now switch the ignition off, switch the ignition on, as you can see now is 18,000 miles. So the next service on this model, on this car would be 18,000 miles. But anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try to help you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.